How do I leave my girlfriend because I want to go back to my ex? Specifically, how can I end things so that if I change my mind, we could potentially get back together? Is that even possible? Yes, it is absolutely possible to leave your current girlfriend and return to your ex later, but the way you leave determines whether she will welcome you back or if you will have burned the bridge entirely. To do this successfully, you must move through the red light phase with extreme precision, specifically utilizing the principles of the blackout phase and calm dignity. Step-by-step guide to a reversible exit. If your goal is to leave so that there is a path back, follow these strategic steps. First, execute with calm dignity. When you decide to end things, do not make it an emotional explosion or an argument. According to the blackout phase strategy, you must respond with respect and stability. Instead of saying, "I'm tired of this, we need to stop," say, "I respect our connection, but I feel that we need a change or space right now. I want to focus on myself for a while." This communicates self-respect and emotional stability, which prevents you from looking desperate. Second, enter the blackout phase rules. Once the breakup is official, you must strictly follow the rules of silence to create the necessary psychological vacuum. Do not initiate constant contact. If you reach out too much, she won't feel your absence. Do not send emotional or long messages. Avoid checking in constantly or explaining yourself repeatedly. Avoid monitoring her constantly. Do not let her see that you are waiting for her. Focus on your own personal growth and life. Third, wait for genuine effort rather than just tests. After you have created distance, she will likely send tests, which are low investment messages like a simple "hey" or a random meme. Do not fall into the trap. If she sends a test, respond calmly and briefly. Do not rush back into a full relationship immediately. Look for genuine effort instead. Only consider returning or reconnecting if she shows vulnerability, such as saying, "I miss talking to you," or "I've been thinking about us." Fourth, the reconnection. Once you have established your independence through silence, your value increases. This is when you decide if you want to move toward your ex. Because you left with dignity, you haven't lost your power, making it easier to navigate a new relationship or return to an old one without appearing unable to stand alone. The biggest mistake, the desperate chase. The biggest mistake people make when leaving or wanting to return is reacting emotionally during the blackout phase. If you break up with her and then immediately start begging, arguing, or sending long, heavy emotional messages because you feel lonely, you actually reduce your attraction. This communicates that you lack emotional stability. This makes her feel like she has full control, which prevents the curiosity and longing that a strategic exit is supposed to create. If you chase too hard, she will never have the chance to miss you. Personal advice and golden rules, my best personal advice. Never leave a relationship because of a temporary feeling. Leave because a change or enough distance is required to find your own strength. If you want to return later, you must first prove that you can stand on your own 2 feet. Silence is your most powerful tool for rebuilding value. A simple rule to remember: distance creates desire. You cannot miss someone who is always present. One key truth: self-respect is more attractive than any way you can try to win someone back. If you leave with dignity, you keep your power. The golden rule: respect the space you create. If you decide to walk away, actually walk away. Do not linger in the doorway. The reconnection formula: dignified exit, plus strategic silence and focus on self-growth, equals maximum reconnection or a high-value, low-risk return.